This concept, I believe, has been misunderstood by almost everyone because it doesn't matter if you go at this in a different way, you're still going to come back to the same spot. Your results didn't make themselves. You are the living embodiment of your past thoughts. For what was is what is, the production of something that has gone before. If you don't like it, you can change it by going to the cause, and the cause starts in the mind. I believe most people don't really have a clear understanding of the mind. They have this narrow and limited view of what the mind is, and they seem to stay that way. But I'm going to tell you, believe it or not, the seed must always bear fruit. When I began to look at this in a different point of view, the word success, my whole world started to change. You see, it's really interesting when you think of it. What do people do the way they do? Some have no conscious control over their results, while others seem to move with maximum speed. It is the unknown that scares most people. Emerson said, "Do not go to the experienced land. Go where there is no trail and leave a mark." You have to be willing to go into that unknown, for this is where things happen. You need to make a committed decision that I'm willing. Most people resort are in a state of repeat. It's because they are not willing. Instead, they enjoy staying in the same comfort zone. That comfort zone may be comfortable, but it's a bad spot. You might have heard others teacher talk about confidence and the rest of them, which is right, but you need to understand how results are obtained. And you develop understanding by allowing your thinking to rest on what I'm saying. I want you to think this entire universe operates in exact principle. You use the same laws for there's only one law, one principle, one power, one substance, with infinite number of manifestations which operate independently. That is, if you impress anything upon it, you will see results. You might be saying how to go about this. First, you have to clear your mind. Start to think of what you want, wrap it up with a strong emotion, and stay on course towards it. You see, the laws that governs your results is impersonal, which does not overlook mistake. And if you play ill, you are checkmated ASAP without remorse. But when you play well, you'll be rewarded. Now think, it's really interesting when you need to find out that strange things happen. But things don't just happen for happening's sake. There has to be something behind it. For every cause, there's an effect, and that effect will lead to a cause which produce another effect. And there are going to be other people who are going to tell you that what you're saying is kind of crazy. But do not listen to the majority of people who tell you negative talk, who tell you all sort of things, for they are checkmated. Now, your inner wealth is something you already have. You don't need to go anywhere to get it. It is within you. Some people do not believe it, but the truth demonstrates itself. By their fruit you shall know them. The people who are losing are very good at dismissing their ideas. It is this built-in envy that causes people to think or hope that any new idea that run counter to established principle will fail. And I want you to ask yourself, am I making use of my potentials? I can say you are not, and be careful what you let enter your mind. Make sure it is good information that will stretch your mind to a higher state. For a mind stretched by a new idea never goes back to the original state.